In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change a delivery address on your Amazon order. Whether you've moved recently or maybe realized you want your package sent somewhere else, changing an address is a straightforward process, but it does depend on the status of your order. Let's dive right into it. First, for those of you whose orders haven't shipped yet, the process is pretty simple and can be done directly through the Amazon website or app. Start by navigating to the Your Orders section. This is where you'll find a list of recent orders. Find the particular order that you need to modify. Once you've located it, you should see an option that says Order Details. Select this to proceed. Next, look for the Shipping Address section on the page. You'll notice an option labeled Change next to it. Click on this. Now you have two choices. You can either select an address that you've previously saved in your account or opt to add a new one. Once you've made your selection or entered the new address information, just follow the on-screen prompts to confirm. It's that straightforward. However, make sure to review all details carefully before confirming the change to avoid any delivery hiccups. On the other hand, for those whose packages have already been shipped, the situation is a bit trickier. If Amazon has shipped the item and it's still within the shipping process, you might still be able to make changes. Head back to the Your Orders section, select the specific order, and check whether you still have the option to change the address. Sometimes, Amazon systems may allow this if the order hasn't fully processed through their system. But if the order is already on its way and changing it through Amazon isn't an option, you'll need to contact the carrier directly. Amazon will usually provide the carrier details, so be sure to use that information to get in touch with them as soon as possible. Explain the situation clearly, and they might be able to assist in rerouting the package to a new address. In situations where there isn't an option to change the address or reroute the package, you might need to consider canceling the order entirely. You can do this by following the standard cancellation process on Amazon. Once the cancellation is successful, you can simply place a new order with the correct address. Now that you're armed with these instructions, you should be able to easily manage any changes needed to your delivery address on Amazon. Stay proactive and don't hesitate to use Amazon's support resources if you run into any roadblocks. Thanks for watching and happy shopping!